Welcome to Cannes Film Festival 2023. Glam girly day on the French Riviera in Cannes. Let's see what it's all about. Beauties, brand new vlog, welcome back. In Cannes this evening, absolutely gorgeous day, like weather-wise. We've got to address the weather, it's just the Brit in me, but also I feel like it gives you a better sense of the vibe, you know. So today it's been 25 degrees all day, it's been a hot one. I've had the sun cream on. It's now evening, it's 6:30. Is it 6:30?
It's 22 minutes.
Show your face, show your face. We've got a handsome husband
Bonjour.
here. We're in Cannes, our second home. We spend so much time in Cannes, don't we?
We do.
And do you know what? The Cannes Film Festival is on. It's been a crazy, busy week. And thought I'd take you along for a little evening in Cannes. Why not? There's so much to see, so many beautiful, quirky, interesting, gorgeous people around,
including
honestly.
us.
So many, like the vibe is incredible, so I'm hoping to be able to like give you a little bit of a glimpse of that. We came last year, my mum was over last year, wasn't she?
Yes.
And it just takes over all of Cannes. There's such a buzz and just so many gorgeous outfits, and yeah, I'm going to show you anyway. So let's so we're just catching like the tail end of it.
It's the last day, I think. Or the last day tomorrow, is it?
Yeah.
Second to last day.
So
they've had all the names here this year, haven't they?
Yeah, and we've missed, like, if you really want to see them, you've got to be here early and you've got to be prepared to stand about for hours, which when you live here, that kind of novelty wears off a little bit.
I think we will do it one time.
Yeah, I do want to do it one time. There's a few people that I'd like to try and catch.
I would like to have seen Leo this year.
Yes.
And
yeah, for sure.
Robert De Niro and Tom Hanks.
Yeah.
They're all here.
Yeah. It's incredible.
Anyway,
but let's see who we can see this evening, if we'll see anybody. Even if I just show you the outfits, the glamness, the dresses, just all of it. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go for a wander. Welcome to Cannes Film Festival 2023. Currently on the shopping street, which is standstill traffic.
Everyone pipping at everyone else.
Everyone's going mad, yeah. This is rare. Usually, you know, it can be a slow moving, but not like this. It's wild. But this is not where the outfits are, guys. I'm going to take you to the next street along, and you're going to see wowzers, aren't they?
Oh, wowzers, yeah.
Yeah. We're like a 2-minute walk away from the...
Ramen now.
Yeah.
No, is it Croisette? No, it's not, is it?
Croisette.
Croisette.
Where all the glam gorgeousness is. Are you ready for the glam gorgeousness? What happens is all the paps and people gather for hours outside the big hotels, so the Carlton, the Martinez, and they just wait.
Oh, it's first year at Carlton, isn't it, for a while?
Yeah, Carlton's open this year, and they just wait basically to get the shots. So I'm going to go check out the hotels, but then also sometimes you can find some like shady spots which aren't so thought of, where they're getting like dropped off out the taxis. So Just gonna go and see what we can see. Honey, I could see you in that jacket right there. Well, all of these actually, but I like this mustardy one on the end.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. That is a bit of you.
I'm not keen on what it's paired up with. Like,
It looks like a bit of a linen-y blend.
I'm not keen on that.
You're not keen on it? No,
I like
I'm not
the jacket.
talking about the whole look, hon. I'm talking about the jacket.
It's nice.
And then they do another colour combination here.
Mmm.
And this one, that's a nice colour as
It's
well.
very, I just got off my boat wear, isn't it?
It is, hon. It is. Louis Vuitton? Louis Vuitton?
Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton? Louis Vuitton. What have we got in the window today on display? Ooh, a bit of red. Red and gold. Okay, where are we heading? Which way, left or right?
Tapos, nag-ano kami?
Oh gosh, how much could you just eat an ice cream right now? Ryan. Wow, that's a suit. Oh, we've got the Armani Cafe there. Jam-packed. in a bit of a
Predicament.
a predicament,
Yeah.
yes, because he's recently tried to, well, he's been trying to stop drinking beer for quite a while, haven't you, hon? Because he's pretty sure he has got a wheat intolerance, aren't you?
Yeah, not gluten.
Wheat.
Just wheat, yeah. It's not good.
Because he did food diary for weeks and tracked, he knew something wasn't right, and obviously beer is full of wheat, and every time he has beer now, it leaves him feeling like, honestly, you don't want to know him the day after, because he is just in a mood, foggy-headed,
Mardy arse, we call it in Yorkshire.
sluggish, you don't sleep properly, everything like that. So he's trying to find an alcoholic beverage to replace the times when he just wants
1 or 2 beers.
a beer. Obviously we love wine, but it's not cutting it for him. It's
No.
not the same.
It's not the when lads will know. When you have a nice, when you go out for a pint in the sun.
Well, anyone who drinks beer will know.
Ooh, you know what I'm saying? But this is not the same. It's like, lovely.
I think you just need to create a habit and get used to it, and then you get to the point where wine is like, Any recommendations? What can replace a beer?
It's cider potentially, but it's a bit popish.
Yeah.
The trouble with cider is you can drink 14 of them so easily because they're so popish. They've not got that aftertaste that you need from a beer. You know what I'm saying?
Not really. How lovely, just pop in for the film festival.
Yeah, just down the road, you know.
How lovely is that? Look at the sunset. Guys, it's a super gorgeous day. Gorgeous day, and I'm going to share it with you. I'm bringing you along. So, hello beauties, welcome. Today it's a girly day in Cannes, our favourite city, one of our favourite cities on the French Riviera, and yeah, it's going to be fabulous. One of my besties is over, my best friend, with her husband and her daughter, which is my goddaughter. Husband's gone to the Monaco Grand Prix today,
Jealous.
so we are having a girly day, and I've got my chauffeur here. Super kindly offered, didn't you, darling?
I did.
You didn't offer. I basically said, please, can you be chauffeur for the day? So we're just en route to pick my friend and my goddaughter up, and the four of us, me, Nancy, are going to have a gorgeous day in Cannes. Shopping, lunching. Are you ready for it? It's going to be nice. I feel like I've got a little hair on the end of my nose. There we go. I've booked. It was tricky actually getting a booking in the beach clubs because it's been a super busy week with Cannes Film Festival. So everywhere was, and it's bank holiday, yeah. So everywhere was pretty booked up, but I managed to get a booking in one of the beach clubs called Mandala Beach Club, which is lovely. So it's going to be gorgeous. I'm going to share it all with you. So yeah, that's the plan. We went out for dinner last night, didn't we?
We did, in Antibes.
And I had a few wines, so
For a change.
feeling a little bit.
It's alright when you've got a chauffeur.
I
You
know.
can have as many wines as you want.
I know, I'm so grateful, thank you.
Are you?
Yeah.
What are you going to do for me? How do you repay that favour?
I'll cook you some gorgeous meals next
That'd be
week.
amazing actually.
Yeah. What else? I mean, what do you want, hon? In fact, let's not go there.
Yeah, let's go there.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna have a lovely day together. I hope you're ready for Glam Girly Day on the French Riviera in Cannes. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, we've arrived at the apartments.
At the Bay des Anges.
And I'm gonna totally embarrass Joanne and Lexi with the camera. Can't wait.
Remember when you did that to Andy?
Yeah.
You got in the car and
Shall we
it was
embarrass them,
insane.
Nancy?
Yeah.
Got to introduce you guys.
Tell them.
What?
Right.
Here.
Are you here?
We are here. Issy.
Right, I will just be leaving my apartment now, then I'll be 2 minutes.
Okay. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Oh, see you around.
Babes, I love your hair today. Who did that for you?
Me.
What do we call these?
Bouncy braids.
Bouncy braids. Love it.
You feel like a fidget toy.
Outfit of the day. I have got the Old Faithful Marge dress on. Well, I call it old. I actually only got it last year, but I've worn it so many times, which I love. I love it when you get a piece of clothing and it's just a goodie that lasts. So we've got navy blue puff sleeves, little pleated dress, and footwear is espadrilles. Do we think they are going to be comfy all day? Fingers crossed.
My shoes are Air Force Ones.
What are you wearing, babe? Zara?
Zara.
Zara, I
Everything
think.
Zara.
Yeah.
Zara's my favourite shop. So Zara tops, Zara bottoms, Air Force Ones.
Gorgeous, aren't you?
You know what would go better with this outfit?
What?
Pink Air Force.
Pink Air Force Ones.
The ones in
Wow.
storage.
Shall we embarrass them? Oh my gosh! What are you wearing? Do me a twirl! Gorgeous! Woo! Introduce yourself! Sorry, that is so naughty.
Did she do this to you, Ryan?
This is so naughty of me.
So the two mojito, the virgin mandarito, and the Joya.
Merci.
Thank you. Would you like water, everybody?
Yes, please. Show me. Nancy's the greediest. 2 scoops in a big cone. What flavours did you get? Peanut butter and cheesecake. Joanne got cheesecake. What did you get? Oreo and biscuit. From the gelato. Gelato junkie. Gelato junkie. My lovelies, just me checking in, editing this vlog. I'm actually sat in my bedroom and I've just come to the end of this edit and realised that I haven't checked out with you, and this is what it's like actually when I try and vlog whilst on the go in these like social situations. As much as I love to get snippets and share it all with you, I do know that actually talking to you lot and connecting with you does suffer and it does slip, so apologies. I just try and be in the moment as much as I can whilst still picking up the camera. I just basically do what I can, but I really hope you enjoyed this kind of vlog, this busy lifestyle, seeing it all going on, because summer is ramping up here and social situations are becoming much more frequent. That is the lifestyle. As soon as it gets warm here, it's very holiday lifestyle, and sometimes it's actually difficult to find the balance between work life and social life. But yeah, trying. I've been drinking a tiny bit too much wine lately, but anyway, enough. So I will see you all in a few days, but I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. Let me know in the comments, and I hope you've all had an amazing week so far. Sending lots of love, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye guys.